A lot of y'all have been asking how I make my car popple and crack and backfire. And in this video, I'm gonna show y'all exactly how I do that.
Wanna put 10 shots in my brain. I've been tripping about some things can't change. Switch at the same time on tape. Put your diss in bag, get a phone call. Girl that you fuck with, kill it so. That was this summer and nobody helped. And ever since then.
Take it away, Penny. Alright, so me and my beautiful girlfriend about to eat some what? We about to eat?
Sushi.
Sushi or burritos. What the hell?
There's sushi burrito at.
Why are you running?
But
It was so loud, I almost broke my ear.
really? Well, you really zoomed in. Damn, girl. Look, okay, guys. I just want to
Babe, stop.
look how beautiful my girl is.
Stop.
Look at her.
All right,
look
babe.
at her. Alrighty, so as y'all heard, my car is pretty damn loud, and I'm gonna teach y'all kind of how to do that. It's really simple, actually. It's all about your modifications and what you have done to your car. So I've been getting a lot of questions and comments on how I actually backfire and pops and whatnot, and pretty much I think the number one thing to how to pretty much backfire or how to make your car have pops is just have test pipes. Pretty much any exhaust you have, even if you have like a muffler delete, if you just throw on test pipes, pretty much delete the cats, you will be able to pop and shoot flames and yada yada yada. Make sure you try not to have any resonators. Resonators, I mean, you can do it without resonators, but I mean, with resonators, it's so crazy because like I remember I used to be so shy of people watching me record, but now like I really don't care. Yeah. So pretty much just get rid of your cats. That's honestly the easiest way to do it. Get rid of your cats and then just get like a straight pipe, and then you'll be done popping like loud as hell. So. And on another note, how to spit flames, which is it's the same exact concept. Get rid of your cats and have a tune specific to shoot flames. Pretty much in the tune, my tuner is named Martin for everyone asking. In the tune, my specific map, he puts map 2 as a fuel dump. So pretty much I have more fuel coming into my exhaust and into my manifolds than normal, which thus in leading to a pop and flames shooting out the back. So with that being said, that's pretty much how you make your car crack and popple. I'll put some clips in my car being ignorantly loud and cracking and poppling. As y'all can see, I have a 4-inch Tomy exhaust. So she's pretty loud, as you heard before. This is my beautiful girlfriend. She was recording me.
Oh, this is sweet.
So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to make your car, popple and crack. Throw some test pipes on the bitch, get rid of the cats, and if you want to shoot some flames, get a tune and ask your tuner for a specific flame dump. Ask your tuner for a specific fuel dump, and y'all will be straight. Yeah, so that's that part of the video. Let's get on with the rest of it. to get my car to pop a little bit. It's kind of hard to like force it to pop. It kind of just does it. Here, I'm gonna try to. Thanks, baby.
Always mysterious and surprising.
There's a green light up there.
What's up, guys?
What's around the next corner?
I'm Adam.
Oh shit. Yeah.
Yeah. What are you saying?
What's up, you guys? My name's Adam.
My name's Adam.
My girlfriend's holding the camera, actually.
What's up, man?
Damn, this nigga just walking, he's just chilling.
Oh, gosh. Hey, you guys. This is so sad. This is the love of my life, Adam. I love him so much.
You in a rush, my guy?
Woo woo!
He wildin' for that one.
Oh, I didn't catch it.
That motherfucker's in a rush. He's in a rush.
He's in a rush.
He said, I'm late to work. Ah, that's me. Alright, so the inside of the interior. Alright, guys, so the interior of my car is specifically very oriented towards the driver. So as you see, I got 3 gauges for my fucking boost, my tire pressure, and the time I need to fuck your bitch. Obviously, I have, you know, these are not paddle shifters. This is not automatic at all. This is for my cruise control. Don't look at the P in the middle. That's just for pussy, because I love pussy. As you can see, I see it. Yo, what? Stop. Don't aim at that. Don't aim at that. Aim on my shift knob. No, I said don't aim at it. I said don't aim at it. Don't. Come on, why you gotta do that? Really? I was gonna dislike this video. They saw I'm an automatic. The video's over. Turn it off. Turn it off.